So guys, celebrities and influencers have turned this scarf top into the hottest summer trend this 2020. This trend have been made popular earlier by Beyonce in 2000 and by Bella Hadid in 2017. But I have never tried this hack before. Today we are going to try and test this scarf tops hack. I'll also be sharing few pointers which you need to keep in mind before taking this scarf top trend for a spin. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's hop in. Okay, before that, if you are new and you are watching this video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. So, okay, what are we waiting for guys? Let's hop into the video. Halter neck tops, bandeau tops, one shoulder tops, off shoulder tops. How even they do this? I admit they look super appealing on Instagram, but it's equally challenging in this real world. Some embarrassing wardrobe malfunctions you definitely can avoid by tightly securing the knots while wearing a scarf top, also ensuring the scarf is not see-through. Even you must choose to wear a bandeau bra or a tube top underneath, which gives a firm support to your scarf tops. People say scarf tops are for those with standard body type, but let's break this norm, girls. Let's tie the scarf tops in ways which are just perfect for our body type. Also, Komal Pandey has tried few scarf hacks on her friend with a different body type than hers. So today I will be trying few scarf tops hacks on me and let's prove them all wrong.
I know that it just ain't gonna work. I know that it just ain't gonna
So guys, thank you for watching, and before leaving, don't forget to comment below which hack was your favorite, and all your suggestions how I can improve my videos is definitely welcome. So put them in the comment section. I would love to read and improve the new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Okay guys, see ya. Lots of love.